Welcome to VideoLocalize. Once you log in, you will land on the product page, your gateway to all VideoLocalize products. You can explore our text-to-speech service for AI-generated audio, or the subtitle burner that can instantly burn subtitles into your videos. Now, let's dive into the main attraction, VTMS. Inside, you'll find your projects. If you are unsure about how to create new projects or add new jobs, check out our video on how to create projects and add new jobs on VTMS. The video will provide step-by-step guidance on uploading and organizing your video projects. Moving along, there are two tabs, Shared Projects and Assigned Jobs. Shared projects include collaborations with other users, granting you admin access to edit or delete anything within the projects shared to you. Assigned jobs are individual jobs shared to you. Your admin access depends on which page another user gives you. It could be translation page only, voiceover page only, or both. Back at the top, don't miss the dashboard if you need a quick glance at your recent projects and export results. That wraps up the basics of navigating VideoLocalize. Stay tuned for in-depth tutorials on features like sharing projects and assigning jobs to your team. We'd love to hear your feature suggestions too. Thanks for tuning in.